Let us draw an isosceles right angle triangle with the two sides of length 5 cm using a ruler and a protractor. We draw a line segment that measures 5 cm, 0 to 5. We label this line segment as A, B. Next, we will draw angle A that measures 90 degrees. Let this point on the protractor coincide with the end point A of the line segment and mark a point at an angle 90 degrees, and then draw a line segment that measures 5 cm. Label the other end point as C, and we obtain angle A that measures 90 degrees, or we obtain angle A that is a right angle, and AC measures 5 cm. Lastly, join the points B and C to get the isosceles right angle triangle. You can check yourself that angle B measures 45 degrees and so does angle C.